Bitty, let's talk about it. Welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. Do you have Bitty? I got Bitty on my shoulder. He's going to chill with me while I talk about this project. If it sounds interesting, drop the like, give me a subscribe. The proof is in the pudding. Meaning that you have big, massive entities in this space like Bybit, one of the biggest exchanges, listing Bitty over there. So that's a good look for Bitty. It proves what the original Bitty token is. You have the insane opportunity right now to catch Bitty at a 13.3 million market cap before Bitty absolutely takes off for 2025. At least I believe it will. And you're starting to see a lot of influencers talk about it. There was a lot of madness. It put a lot of eyes and attention onto Bitty. This right here on my shoulder shows the proof of how powerful this is as a brand. Kids will love it. Adults love it. He's a mascot for the Bitcoin, just for Bitcoin. So people that love Bitcoin, that invest in Bitcoin will love it. I think there's investors that day trade, YouTubers, YouTube influencers that love Bitcoin, that got huge amounts of Bitcoin. They're going to love it, especially if they're looking for memes that are low cap or it's low cap now, really low cap, that have the potential to surge into the billions. For those that are new, if you go onto the Bitcoin website and search search bitcoin.org, I'll just grab it up real quick. You will be able to find it right here on the original website. Go on CoinGecko, you'll see it right here. I've already got it. You can scroll down, click businesses, and at the bottom left, you will see Bitty, the mascot, right here. So, I keep saying it every time I've seen it. I'm surprised that Bitty did not blow up in the last cycle. I think he was just one of these Easter eggs that just people didn't really look at and pay attention to. It was an Easter egg all along on this website. And now he's gained the attraction of many people of 2025. He's sitting on my shoulder. I love my Bitty, and I'm taking him with me everywhere I go for a period of time. And I'm just going to keep talking about it. I think Bybit's the first example of the big exchanges that could come and list Bitty for people to trade. Who knows? I mean, Mexi's already got information on it. Who knows? Maybe Mexi will get a listing, and what will happen is people will find it easier to buy Bitty. I mean, Bitty's already easy to buy. If you're someone that's that's the wrong thing. If you're someone Easter eggs. If you're someone that's new, you could just come on like this, download Phantom Wallet, put some Solana on there, and then you go onto Jupiter Exchange and swap it for your Bitty. Done. That simple. And now you own some Bitty. 13.3 million market cap is the time I'm recording this video. I really, really, really hope it's still this market cap because the market's heating up. There's a hype for mascot meme coins, and he is a fine example of one that could surge to the billions and become a blue chip meme. I've become mega bullish on Bitty because I remember buying pepe at these market caps. Many people missed out. And then what happened is loads of influencers were talking about Bitty. Then it blew up massive. Let's have a look at the website. Were they updating it? I don't know if they have. They don't need to. I mean, it's great the way it is. There's your Bitty mascot right there. What do you think? Drop your comments down below. Are you in this? Are you going to ignore it? Are you just going to watch it? Are you happy that the whole Bitty meme wars is over? It'd be interesting to see who's still holding their bags of the other Bitty. You know those influencers that were talking about the other Bitty and saying it was the Bitty? I wonder if they're still holding their bags. Ask them to show you. I've done a video on, who can you trust in the crypto space? It's had 9,000 views. It's looking good so far. I think that these influencers have to do what I need to do now. I think they need to step up the game because this is 2025. You guys want to know that the people that are talking to you and sharing your projects, they're genuinely holding their cryptocurrencies. They're not just dumping it on your damn face. And I showcased an example of this in my video, and I had a lot of nice comments. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it. I think I've raised the bar, and I think that all these influencers here, if you're going to want to trust them as viewers, if you want to trust the people that are telling you this stuff, then ask them to show you their cryptos, ask them to show you their favorite coins that they're holding, the ones that they've been talking about over the last few months that they really highly favor. See if they've asked them to show you what they have, so you can establish a level of trust with them. And I think this is needed. So I'm going to keep talking about it until they do, because so far they haven't done so. They've just seen the video and ignored it because they're scared. And you're going to see a lot of influencers that are shook to do it, right? Because they know that maybe they haven't got the holdings like they claim they have anymore. Maybe they sold it. I don't know. But take a look at this from what I can see real quick on the chart. We've got is it called a pennant triangle? Anyway, we've got like the price bouncing between these two lines like this. It can go one way or the other. If it goes down, and this is what you do, you measure from the highest part to the bottom part like this, right? Like this. If it was to break down, which not very highly believing it will, it would come right, because this is what you do, right? You take it from the highest part to the bottom part, and then this is what it would do. It would fall down to here, which is minus. So I don't think that outcome will happen. I think that it would likely break upwards, which means, again, what I've taken from the longest part to the bottom part from here, if it was to break upwards and it was to happen anytime soon, my gosh, you would see some of them insane surges it would just be one of the biggest moves you've seen for Bitty, because it's taken it really, really high. And I'm thinking this pennant could break out to the upside. And I'm thinking that we might see Bitty in the future go above 31 million market cap, which at that point I'd have a lot more money in it. I will show you my journey. I've been transparent with this one. I'll keep showing you. And then, on its way it goes. Because I think it can go into the billions, but obviously it's got to meet these targets first. We will see what happens. Stochastic RSI is looking good. Looks like it's about to cross over and come back up. This is on the 4-hour time frame, so it's short time. I don't day trade, but I'm just showing you this. I mean, if we flip it to the daily, again, it's had its little call off. It's starting to turn around. We'll see what happens on a stochastic RSI anyway. You want to see it come back up and bring momentum in. The reason I was looking on short time frames is because obviously we had the whole Bitty wars and stuff. I was trying to see what was going on. Is there room for this stuff? Let's have a look at the RSI. It's even, like, it's not overbought, it's not oversold. We're here right now on an 8-hour time frame, so we'll see what happens with that. Room for it to come back up again, but it will come up with the hype and excitement of meme coins taking off and just everybody wanting to get in before the masses come in. So this was Bitty. I think the whole Bybit update is great. Going to keep talking about Bitty. I love it. I think it's great. A great buy for 2025. Great buy for the next month, because if in the next month or two things go crazy, this is it. In a bit. Guys, do you have Bitty? Tell me what you think Bitty can go to in the future in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.